Hi guys. Okay, so this video is to explain temperature conversions. I want to explain Celsius to Kelvin, Kelvin to Celsius conversions, and Fahrenheit to Celsius and Celsius to Fahrenheit conversions too. Okay, so first I want to start with the ones that I have right now on the screen. That is Celsius to Kelvin and Kelvin to Celsius. Okay, well, so with the first one that I want to start is with the one of 25 degrees Celsius to Kelvin. Okay, so this is simple one because you only need to have an addition, that is this Celsius plus 273.15. So you start with this, you will notice that it's really simple. Okay, you only have to add that 25 degrees Celsius plus 273.15 Kelvin, and you'll get that is this 298.15. Now this is Kelvin. Okay, that's like room temperatures, 298.15 Kelvin. Now going in the other one is 335 Kelvin 2 degrees Celsius. So this is like the opposite. You will have a subtraction, okay, that is this one. Okay, so it's Kelvin minus 273.15. That is the same number, you only have the difference that this is a subtraction. So to do it, simple, okay, you start with the number you have, 335 Kelvin minus 273.15, and you get that this is 61.85 degrees Celsius. This is a 5. Okay, there it is. Okay, now let's move on into the next part. Okay, that is going on the Fahrenheit to Celsius and Celsius to Fahrenheit. Okay, let's go to the next part. This is the next part. Okay, it's going from 25 degrees Celsius again, but now 2 degrees Fahrenheit, and going from 58 degrees Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius. So for the first one, you only have to do this. You have to follow this formula right here. It's 1.8 times Celsius plus 32. So Fahrenheit is equal to 1.8 times the value of Celsius, and in this case is 25. Sorry, plus 32. Okay, so once you do it, you will notice that this is 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so this is the first result from these two conversions. The other one is another formula that is like only isolating for the C in the first one. So it's something like this. It's Fahrenheit minus 32 divided by 1.8. Okay, so you only have to substitute it, and you can do that other conversion going from Fahrenheit to Celsius. Celsius is equal to 58. That is the value of the Fahrenheit degrees minus 32 divided by 1.8, and Celsius is equal to 14.44 degrees Celsius. So this is the way you can go from Fahrenheit to Celsius, Celsius to Fahrenheit, Kelvin to Celsius, and Celsius to Kelvin. Okay, well, that's it, guys.